Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make your own lyrical status video. It's very simple to make. Before I am going to start the video, I am going to tell you it will work good in a hacked version kinemaster, or you have to pay for that feature. If you want a hacked version kinemaster, I have made a separate video on that, link in the description. Go and check it. First we'll open the YouTube, then search the black background status video. Here we will get many black background status videos. Select your favorite one and download it. After downloading the video, open the kinemaster. Click any of the ratio. First we will select any photo. Click on a photo, click on equal sign, then make photo zoom and set to the full screen. Then click on photo, scroll down, then enable the vignette option and then extend the photo. After this, click on layer, go to media and then select the downloaded video. Then click on black background video. You will get many options and select the blending option. In this, select the screen option. You can see here the black background was washed. Fit that video as you require, then play. See here, there is no black background. Click on that video, click on share, export it. Here you can play the video and see the video.
मैं करा तू मनावे हर वार वे कोई किद्दां कर सकदा ए ना ज्यादा प्यार वे ओ टच वुड तेरे वास्ते निक्की एक तेरे वास्ते मैं हंस के जर लूं चोटां भी तेरे मेरे रिश्ते नू नजर ना लग जे लोकां दी तेरे मेरे रिश्ते नू नजर